In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides in Affinity Designer. Guides are the backbone of clean layouts, helping you align logos, text, and illustrations with confidence. We'll set up a precise grid so everything snaps into place. Open Affinity Designer on your computer with the document you're working on. Click View at the top of the screen. On Mac OS, it appears in the menu bar. On Windows, it's at the top of the application window. In the View menu, click Guides. This opens the Guides Manager, and everything we need is right here. These settings are non-destructive, so you can experiment freely and adjust the grid later without affecting your artwork. If you're working with multiple artboards, the same approach helps you keep a consistent rhythm across varying sizes. Enter the number of columns. Columns create vertical divisions across your page or artboard. Choose a count that matches your layout structure. Even numbers make mirroring left and right easier. Next, enter the rows. Rows add horizontal divisions that help with baseline rhythm, banners, and balanced spacing. For modular grids, you might match rows and columns. For wide or tall canvases, adjust them to suit the proportions. Now enter the gutter. The gutter is the space between columns and rows. It keeps elements from crowding and improves readability. Use larger gutters for airy designs and smaller ones for dense dashboards. If you're working in pixels, sticking to whole numbers helps avoid blurry edges. Select a guide color. Pick something that contrasts your artwork but isn't distracting, so the lines stay visible without stealing focus. Then choose a style. Solid lines are clear. Dashed lines can be easier to notice over detailed illustrations. If there's a thickness setting, keep it light to prevent visual clutter. You can also enter margins and set the spread origin. Margins define a safe area so text and logos don't hug the edge. Use values that match your print or screen standards. The spread origin determines where measurements start, such as the top left corner or the center, which influences how the grid aligns. When everything looks right, click OK. Your guides will appear immediately on the canvas, ready to help with snapping and alignment. If you need to tweak the grid, just return to the View menu and open Guides again to refine the values. With a well-planned guide setup, you'll work faster, keep spacing consistent, and give every project a crisp, professional finish. And remember, guides do not print or export, so your final files stay clean while the